Hello friends and welcome back to Frontend Pathsala. In this tutorial we will learn how to add Google fonts in website projects. So here I have a boilerplate code where I am going to add a div with class container, and inside the div I'll give a heading with few paragraphs. If you run this and check in the browser, this is how the font loads currently. Now if you want to load the font of your choice, visit the Google Fonts website where you will be able to choose from 853 font families. For this tutorial, let me choose Poppins. Just scroll down and select the style according to the requirement of your project. Go to View Selected Family and do the action accordingly, whether you want to add more style or remove anything. Just review once. Okay, let me tell you, there are two ways of linking font to the CSS. One way is linking the font in the head section of the HTML. Another way is by using the local font files. I just copied the code and pasted it in the head section of my HTML file. Let's copy the CSS rule as well and place it inside the style tag. Now let's go to the browser and check. You can see that the font of this page has changed. Now what if you don't want to use an external service for fonts, but you instead want to use local font files? Let me just remove these lines. We will go with the second way by using @font face property in CSS. Go back to the Google Font website and download the font family. We have chosen the Poppins. Just place this Poppins folder inside your project directory. Let's use the @font face property and we'll give the font family To make it more understandable and meaningful, I'll create a fonts folder and I will place the Poppins folder inside the fonts folder. Now let's give the path fonts, Poppins and the font family. Let me apply this font family to the body. So you can see in the browser the font has changed. Now I want to change the heading of this page. For that I will use the same syntax with different font family and source. I'll just take an italic style. I'll give a class name title to this heading, and to this title class I will apply the font family. Oh, we didn't change the font family name. So now let's check in the browser. You can see that the title is italic with Poppins font family. You can change these fonts according to your requirement. So with this, we have completed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.